Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Infiniti G37 faster. We'll cover a range of modifications, from simple bolt-ons to more advanced changes, helping you understand the best ways to boost your car's performance. We'll explore engine enhancements, drivetrain improvements, and crucial suspension and tire upgrades to maximize your driving experience. Get ready to unlock your G37's full potential. To start, consider enhancing your G37's engine. A cold air intake allows your engine to breathe better, often adding 10 to 15 horsepower. Pairing this with a performance exhaust system reduces back pressure, freeing up even more power. Finally, an engine tune is crucial to optimize these modifications, ensuring your engine runs efficiently and safely for maximum gains. Getting power to the ground effectively is key. A limited slip differential helps maintain traction, especially when accelerating hard out of corners. Upgrading to coilovers significantly improves handling and reduces body roll, making your G37 feel more planted. Don't forget performance tires. They are essential for maximizing grip and translating all that new power into actual speed. For serious performance, consider forced induction. A supercharger or turbocharger kit can dramatically increase your G37's horsepower, often by 100 to 200 horsepower or more. Beyond power, reducing weight is highly effective. Swapping heavy components for lighter alternatives improves your power-to-weight ratio, making your car quicker and more agile in every aspect of driving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.